Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to log into Trim securely. So, you've created your Trim account. Now let's log in safely and securely. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get into the video. First, open the Trim app on your phone. Now on the login screen, you're going to enter the email address that you used to sign up and then type in your password. If you're on a personal device, you can choose to save your login information, or you could enable biometrics login like Face ID or fingerprint for faster, more secure access in the future. Tap login and then wait a few seconds while Trim verifies your credentials. If everything checks out, you're going to be taken straight to your dashboard. Here's a quick security tip. You want to avoid logging in while connected to public Wi-Fi networks. And if you ever get an unexpected login notifications, change your password immediately. To add an extra layer of protection, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in an upcoming video, so stay tuned to that. That's pretty much it. You're now logged into Trim and ready to manage your money smarter. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.